Venus, a very hearty welcome to the first edition or recording of our Voice of Venus interview. We have with us here Mr. Devesh Yadav, currently the design manager at Venus Limited. Are we ready to begin our interview?
Yes, sure.
Devesh, tell us a little bit about yourself, a brief introduction of yours. What do you do at Venus Limited, and a little more.
So, my name is Devesh Yadav. I am design manager here at Venus Limited. I lead design and multimedia section in our design studio.
Okay. Devesh, before Venus Limited, what was your work history and what all organizations you've been associated with? Tell us a little more.
So, I started very early. I started my job when I was 14 years old. My first job was in sales boy in pharmaceutical distributor. Then I became a computer. Then I started as a designer. In my initial stage, I was a product designer. Then I became a graphic designer and senior graphic designer, and now I am a design manager.
So there's been quite a journey.
Yes.
You started at 14 and now you are around 26. So you worked for about 11 years.
About 13
years. So that's quite a long time.
Yeah.
Right. Devesh, how did you come to know about Venus Limited? Was it through some reference or some source? I mean, how did you come to be associated with Venus Limited?
So my whole experience of 13 years is in pharmaceutical industry. So I knew Venus Limited from because I was in the industry. So that's why I wanted to join the company, because I knew the working culture is very good.
Right.
Then I joined and I applied for the position of graphic designer. And I'm fortunate I got the offer and I was selected.
So you mentioned the term over a period of time. Do you honestly feel that the management channelizes your efforts in the right direction?
Yes, absolutely.
And when you started, how big was the team and how big is it now?
So when I started, we were only 2 people. I was the senior graphic designer, and another one he was a product designer.
And now?
Now we have a team of 6 people. We have 2 sections in design studio. One is product design section and another is design and multimedia section.
Each one of them seasoned veterans in their own field.
Yes.
Awesome. So, how long have you been associated now?
3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years already. And where do you see design studio going, say, in the next 5 years? What are your big plans?
So, design studio is already have achieved many milestones. We are serving almost all the departments in the company. We are previously we were only focusing on print media design. Now we are doing some digital media design too. We are doing animation, 3D stuff. We also have a recording studio where we are recording right now. We have blue screen, we have audio recording facilities. We have everything.
So you have state-of-the-art technology that helps you.
And we are also planning to do our technologies. We are getting into VR and AR, virtual reality and augmented reality. So that's our next plans.
And how demanding is your job on a daily basis? But before we get to that, I'd like to know a little more about your schedule. How many departments are you catering to on a daily basis? What are the kind of requirements that you have to face?
So we are catering almost all the departments in the company. Primarily, we serve the marketing teams. We design print media and digital media both. We provide them the promotional materials. Also, we design the product design section is primarily for the packaging design.
Right. And
our process, we are 100% automated. We use a project management software which is called Ilka. We receive requests from only through that platform, and our process is very similar, simple. When we receive a request, we first do prototyping, then ideation, and then we get into creation, which is the design part. We provide 3 to 4 options of a design to the department, and when they select them, it is the final.
The good thing about ClickUp, I believe, is that it doesn't leave any room for loopholes.
Yes,
the communication is very smooth.
It's a very
And
good.
you know at what exact stage the process or what the status of the task is at any given point of time. That being said, Devesh, what is the biggest challenge that you faced during your stint at VL?
The biggest challenge I faced was this the project of Sankalp magazine 2021. So the Sankalp magazine is a our in-house magazine. It has been designed. It gets designed every year. So the last year 2021 was my first time I was designing the Sankalp magazine. It was a great challenge because we have a very short period of time frame and we have lots and lots of information to combine in
Process and execute.
Yes. So that was quite challenging, but I am happy we achieved that.
Alright, so fine. So Devesh, we have a lot of information about what you do, the kind of challenges you face, your team, your daily routine and everything. Before we close the discussion, is there anything that you'd like to tell our viewers?
So I just want to say Venus Travel Limited. It's a great company. We are open to any idea. We give full room to you for your creativity. We help you to improve your skills. So it's a great company. It's a great company to join.
I reckon that what you're saying is absolutely true, and I wish you all the best for your career.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Jai
you.
Venus.
Jai Venus.